Hello Rupkata, how are you?
I'm good.
So how long we know
Enjoying my time here actually, seeing Popo do various new things. So Claude has just given a bone toy to Popo and he's running around and playing with it like never before.
So how long I know you?
My God, it's been almost a decade.
Probably.
Yeah.
But
Seems
9 years
longer.
I think. Yeah, it
Actually
seems longer.
seems longer.
So you used to come to DIP,
Yes.
but now Popo goes to our second branch, Rachel Khor, right?
So, a little bit of correction. I used to go to JVT.
JVT, yes, correct.
So-
Sorry, yeah.
So since then.
Since then.
And then we of course came here. He stayed here for a few years before we moved to Romi's Russell Khor.
Rachel Khor.
Again, another very beautiful facility, and I somehow feel that the facility is made beautiful by its people. The reason why we went to Russell Khor.
Yeah, that is the question. Like Rachel Khor has got his little bit of limitations. Like we have, I would like to have a bigger outdoor, especially. You know, so why you chose Rachel Khor over DIP?
Yeah. To me, I chose Russell Khor over DIP for one very specific reason. Popo is a senior dog with a condition, and the condition is such that he suffers from a lot of anxiety, and he needs an environment which is calm, which is stable, and he's always, from his childhood, he's always been a more of a human's dog than a dog's dog.
Correct.
So he'll always, like in videos, you will see that he hangs around with the handler more and the human more than the
Dogs around him.
So in Russell Khor, Francis, Oscar, Lawrence, they've taken very good care of his needs. So he doesn't go inside the play area, but he stays in the reception area with the humans, and they take care of all his needs. So it's not like he's lying around in one corner. They ensure that the human contact is very much there. So there is that one lounger that they have kept for him because he likes routine. They place it exactly in that same corner, and nowadays Popo walks in through the door and goes to that exact spot. So if the lounger is not there, he'll look at the handler, and the handler knows that okay,
What
Popo
he is looking for.
that lounger. That connection is very important, I feel.
Yeah, of course.
And especially for a senior dog who builds all these connections very quickly and needs a specific kind of human touch, I think this is very important, and the boys at Russell Khor do it wonderfully. That's my compelling reason, and my second reason is I don't think I can trust any other facilities enough.
That's your love for us. That's all. It took years to build up this connection. And I think our strength in Rachel Khor is we want to keep it that way because we want to be like a boutique kind of place where the number of dogs will always be under certain limit, and we can specifically cater those dogs who are, let's say, shy, who needs socializing under supervision.
Yes.
Then scared dogs, senior dogs, of course, dogs who are hand fed, who are more towards human.
Yeah.
So all these very specific needs dogs.
Yeah.
I mean, for them, I think we want to keep Rachel Khor in that way, you know.
Yeah, Russell Khor, the facility, of course, is I feel calmer than DIP.
Yeah, of course.
There's a certain element, there's a certain calmness about that facility. But I would also, at the same time, say that DIP offered similar facilities as well. Ronaldo, at a certain point, used to hand feed Popo.
Yeah, we
And
do
then
that. I mean,
give his medication.
yeah, absolutely.
So, yeah. So these facilities were here very much true, but Russell Khor is calmer for him, I feel.
Correct. Thank you very much, Rupkata. I mean, we love you. We love you and Popo.
Popo, and we love you too. And everybody, all the humans here.
Thank you.